A diagonal of a square connects the points -3, -1, and 2, 4. Find the area and the perimeter of the square. Now with a situation like this, since we're talking about a square, let's graph these points and then sketch the square. We have the point -3, -1, which is right here, and we have the point 2, 4, which is here. Let's label those points, 2, 4, and -3, -1. That's the diagonal of the square, so we can finish off the square by going over, making a square here, putting a point here, and going up the same distance and making a point here. And we can see that we have the square. Now we're looking for the area and the perimeter of the square. The area of a square would be, since all these four are the same side, we would take a side and square. Well, what's the length of a side? Since we have it drawn out, we can actually count it out. Start here at -1 and go up to 4. That's going to be 5 units here. And it's also 5 units across here. So the area would be 5 times 5, or 25 square units. Since we don't know exactly what those units are, inches or centimeters, we'll just call them square units. The perimeter of the square is the distance around. Well, we found that each side was 5 units long, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20 units. So the perimeter of the square is 20 units.